Greetings, tech resistance. Today in the traps was a good one. Found a whole family of 3x5 floppies. You remember these. You'd save your important project on there, go to away for a little while, plug it into another computer so you could print it out at school. And you know what happened? A read error. Yes, it was tough. But we're going to get our revenge today as we crush the whole litter. Safety first. That wasn't very exciting. We'll have to fix that. Let me get my tool. Technology's fighting back again. My tool broke my tool more than it broke them.